Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to figure out how to find your email ID on your email application, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the email app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the main home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now you'll open up this Me section where you need to tap on your name at the top of the screen and you'll be able to see your email ID clearly. Just tap on that, and to copy your email ID, tap on the copy button. You can also edit your email ID by changing it, and your email ID can be changed only once a year. To change the email ID, just tap on edit at the bottom right and click on email ID and click on change email ID and write down your new email ID you want to change to. So there you have it. That is how you find your email ID or also change your email ID if required. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.